Friends, this is another story of an amazing work of Samsung TV. It's a smart TV. It has some problem with the screen. In the picture you can see the screen comes like this, and I opened and tested this. There is some problem with the screen related take on board problem. Articles that end board is something problem happened. A spark is there, so I used some trick to make this that I will show you. The problem is actually in this circuit. Here you can see something this side, some spark happened. I think there is a lot of this cockroach inside. That all I cleaned now. You can see the this cockroach, what I say, something dirt is there. This board totally I washed and heat up, but even though there is no good result, and now I did one thing, that the strip little that some connections I rejected the connection. That's why the unwanted this lining is not coming on the screen. Just I will show you how to do this. Okay, this side this strip is take out, and we can see the point which comes connection with the T-con board, and the other board other side also problem. This here this side I put a cello tap here, and this connection is void. Then how the result comes we can see. If it is okay, that will be good, because this board is not repairable now. It's little bit spark happened and board is damaged. That's why I think the components are okay, safe, but the track is broken. And this fixed with the LCD screen. This kind of fixing facility is not available. Even in the company agency also, they are totally changing the screen only. So this trick, if it is successful, we can use this. Some little bit problem may be there, but you cannot understand. So let me fix this. Here you can see this side is totally this maybe 10 points I covered with this cello tape, and I will fix it now. Actually, this is not my, what I said, the camera line, but camera and everything is related nowadays with the screen LCD. If only we can watch the picture. So this was my work. So this already fixed. Now we can test the TV. If it is showing good result, that will be luck. Good luck. See the how it's not perfect. No, this connection is not clear. Now we can change that point with the other side, and we can see what happens. Okay. Yeah, okay, it's successful. See, the screen is totally working well. It's okay, the working is perfect, so we can pack it. Okay, so this is the trick what I did here. and this way sometimes this problem can cure. So let me fix it. Okay, so it's already everything is fixed, and there is a slight shivering like problem in this side, we can see here, but that is going when the picture comes, it's not showing, everything is perfect. So there is no other chance to do this job because the entire screen changing is something the cost of a TV you have to spend on this. That's why this way you can use it, long time will work. Previously also I did some work like this, so I believe this will long last. Okay, thank you very much for watching.